Morning, everybody. This is your boy Forex Strategy Factory. You know, here we are recording. We are recording on the screen talking about Forex, and we bring in to you the pair that is gonna move. Okay, within few hours of today, January 9, 2023. So we're starting with the EURUSD. The EURUSD is one pair that we are expecting it that is going to go down and sell within few hours from now. As we open the chart of EURUSD, H1 time frame, if I put it on the land scale, you can see it. It found its way to the up, and then it's making its own way to go down. All right, so if I remove all my lines, everything we have seen is EURUSD is going down. Give me this line. If this line is gonna be made your stop loss is detected. Now your entry, I can say, if we're gonna break this neckline right here, but we are not yet ready, and your final take profit is going to be something around here. We are not yet ready, but this pair EURUSD is going down. Everything you're going to do is you just need to go and bring out your tools that is going to tell you when it's time to sell EURUSD. Okay, now the second pair we're going to talk about today, January 9, 2023, is the USDJPY. What is going on with the USDJPY? As you can see, the USDJPY is finding its own way to the top. If you see properly what I'm going to do right now, you see, it has broken some lines right here. Okay, it has broken a kind of some candlestick right here. Okay, it's broken it. I think it's a season high to call this. Well, it's broken it, and then we have one candlestick sitting on this line. Okay, this is a sign that the USDJPY is on its way going up. All right, now if you look at the MACD, you can see that the MACD, you can take a look at the histogram that it is now above the red line. So we can see the sign that USDJPY is finding its own way to the top. All right, but then you are the one now to bring out your own tools that is going to tell you to buy. All right, now when you take a look at my own entry that I've put a buy stop right here, I got a buy stop in here, and I put my take profit right here at the top of the chart, and then I put my stop loss at the low where the turnaround happens. Now this is a risk reward ratio. It is a very good risk reward ratio. Okay, if I take a proper look at this, I can say this can be a 3-to-1 risk reward ratio, and this is the best. This is why I do pending orders, So then number 3 on the list is Great Britain Pound, GBP, JPY, Japanese yen, and the Great Britain pounds. See, let's see it. The Great Britain pound and Japanese yen has information that it is going to go down. Okay, yes, it's going to go down, because everything we see about it right now is it has gone up seriously. Okay, it has gone up seriously, and it's going to make its way down. All right, so if I'm going to look at this thing, as we take a look at the MACD, we can see that the MACD has not even gone below the red line. Okay, it's never gone below the red line. The histogram is still higher than the red line, so definitely, and we have seen the histogram like make this highest high. which is higher than all. So definitely, if I place my own thing, my own line on the histogram itself, I can see that. Can I see? Okay, I couldn't see two touches somewhere. I can see two touches on the MACD histogram. I can see here, I can see here, and then we have a breakout above it to the highest high. So definitely, within a few moments, this GBP JPY it's gonna start going down. Okay, now, but it's not ready yet. You can just wait and bring out your tools, your best tools that will tell you that this GBP JPY is going down. Now, if this happens, this is what we're going to do. This is going to be our final take profit here. Final take profit on this low of the chart. I hope you can see it. Then our stop loss, our stop loss is going to be here. Okay, I hope you all know what I'm doing. We are planning ahead of the stop loss. Is then going to be at the highest high where this current price is going to turn around. That is where our stop loss is going to be. Stop loss is going to be in red line, right on the highest high where the price is going to turn around. Our take profit is this one, the lowest low it's ever made. Now we leave it there. What are we waiting for? We are waiting for entry. Okay, we are waiting for this price to turn around and give us a good entry point. This is where we enter. So you, as a beginner, how do you think you're gonna know when to enter? Okay, this is why I said bring out your best tools that will tell you exactly when this pair GBP JPY is going down. That is all you need. You have seen your stop loss, you've seen your take profit. Now your tools will tell you your entry. Okay, I've marked the chart for you, your stop loss, your take profit. Now you determine your entry by using your best tools. Okay, now we now go to the number 4 on the list, which is the EURAUD. Okay, the EURAUD, everything we're doing is on the H1 time frame, no bias. The EURAUD have the information that it is going to be going up. All right, now if it's going to be going up, what characteristics is it supposed to have? Now see, the histogram is supposed to go just inside the red line. Okay, that is one characteristic. Is going to be going up. Okay, as we can see, it's happening little by little, but we are not yet ready for this. Okay, now see, RSI is down seriously, but then you look at the chart has come from the up to the low. So definitely this should go up anytime from now, but then we have to wait, because we're gonna wait for this to really turn around. Okay, to turn around. Probably, if I'm gonna say it right now, the way the chart is supposed to turn around and break this line right here. Okay, break it before we believe that it is going up. Break this yellow line, and then a candlestick will sit on top of this yellow line before we believe it is going up. But the information is it is going to go up. You should get ready for that. Now if it is going up, then what is this line gonna be to you? This is gonna be your own what is it? This is gonna be your own final take profit level, which is the highest high of your chart. And then if and only if the price turn around from this bottom right now, if the price turn around, okay, then your stop loss is going to be. Your stop loss is going to be that line, that red line that I just put right now. If there is turnaround from here, anywhere you see the turnaround, that is exactly where this your red line is going to be. It is your stop loss. Now I have marked the chart for you. Now it's up to you to find your own tools that is going to tell you to buy when this AUD is ready to go up. There must be a breakout of this yellow line and a candle must sit above it. Okay, right now we are not ready, but you need to find your own tools that will tell you to get in. We have tell you your own take profit level right here, the highest high, and we told you anywhere this current price now turn around is your stop loss. So what you're doing here, you have a risk reward ratio of 3-to-1, which is the best. Now let's go to the final one on the list. GBP AUD. GBP AUD is the last one on the list. Where is it? This is it. GBP AUD. As you can see, it has every characteristics of a pair that is going up. Okay, now, and it is already going up. Now it broke some lines right here, broke some highs right here. Let's make this line a yellow line. It's broken our yellow line. Okay, it has broken our yellow line. Okay, yes, it broke our yellow line, and then a bullish candle sitting on the yellow line. All right, this is a pair that is going up. Now if this pair is going up, now you need to bring everything, the tools you got that will tell you this pair is really going up and it's time to get in. Now when you get in, look at your take profit. This high that is here is your take profit, which is gonna be the green, this one. This is your take profit. We got your take profit for you, and if it's actually going up, you know, this is gonna be your stop loss. But what we see on this pair is that it has every qualities of a pair that is going up. Now what you gotta do, bring out your best tools that can tell you that you're gonna buy on this pair before it ever go away. Now you should look below this video because I have some things under this video description that you can benefit from. Probably I talk about tools, right? You can see any tools that is going to tell you to get into this market. If you want to take your own forex to the next level, you are not going to be looking at the money you're going to spend on a tool that is going to help you. Yes, put your hand in your pocket and spend some money. Okay, me that I'm talking to you, before I can ever get tools that give me information, you know, I put my own hands in my pocket, I get money, I spend money, I look at information properly before I come make video for you. Now I'll make the video for you. Now you need to put your hand in your own pocket, buy that tool. That tool is there. It is called the trending pair. Okay, you will see that I put it there, the trending pair. Enter your name, enter your email. You're going to go check your email. There's a link to your email. A link will be sent to you. You go to that link and go and buy that tool. It's a tool that gives you your entry. That's all. So thank you for watching. Take care and bye.